YouTube, it's nice to be back after a couple weeks here. Now, I hadn't been sick or anything like that. I have simply just not really had the reason to make a video. You know, I quit getting stuff in the mail for the most part, and obviously my local pickup stuff has ceased to exist. I have passed on a couple pretty decent buys. Both were a little out of my price range, but I will show you a couple neat things. That one of them I actually got in the mail today, and then another I've went through and reorganized a lot of my currency I have here at the house, and I found a pretty unique error I'll show you. But this right here I got from Executive Currency, and they sent an email out back probably March 10th, or let's see, now I probably know it was April 10th, and it was actually roller offset errors on twos, and they had a few to buy, and I actually got an opportunity to buy one of these. And if you look, it looks like a hair right here, but that is actually where the rollers were not rolling where they need to, and had a little ink where they needed to, well, not have ink per se. And it made this tiny little hair like straight line on there. And I hate to call it straight because it's actually not perfectly straight. There is a little bend to it. But these are they don't come up very often. They are not expensive in any way, form, or fashion. They're just actually a very unique error that you do not see very often. It's actually the first one I've ever seen. Normally you'll see the gutter folds. They're pretty common, especially on older bills. Or you'll get, the third printing offset. You'll get some of that stuff, but you never see this type. Value on this, I probably overpaid for it, but I didn't have anything like this in my collection, and it was on a 2. And $2 bills, I've actually made a video about them and kind of some history on them and that kind of stuff, but I'm kind of fond of the 2 in general. This would probably grade an MS63. It's got a pretty bad margin issue there on the left and right. The top and bottom are pretty decent, but the left and right, it's shifted pretty heavy. But anyway, I'll flip it over here and show you. The other thing I wanted to show you, it's nothing too crazy. These are Bolivian pesos, 10 peso notes. And what is unique about this, if you look at the serial numbers, they are incorrect. So one is different than the others. Just like on our currency, we have the same serial number on both the left and right of the note. And in Bolivia, they do the same thing, left and right of the note, top and bottom in their case. If you look, you have mismatched serial numbers. And what's unique about this is these are actually sequenced with one another. There is 2248444, and there's the 445. There's the 445, and then it counts to 446. And here is, come on, focus for me. This is the 447. And it's not going to focus. It's great. But just trust me, it's a 446 and a 447 as well. There it is. But I have no idea. I honestly don't even remember where I got these things. I was just going through some of my foreign stuff because I've got more than I could ever get rid of. And I found these, and they were in the holders, which, I mean, I'm not going to waste my time with holders unless there is something unique about them. And after 30 seconds of looking at them, I finally figured out why the heck I put them in the holders. But they are pretty cool. But anyway, I hope that you've enjoyed the video, and I'm just trying to throw a little more material out there to break the monotony of the quarantine a little bit. I think some states are starting to let up with some of the reprimands they have going at this point. Maybe in the next 3 or 4 weeks we can get stuff rolling again, and I'd start putting out more videos of stuff I'm getting. But I hope to put another video out on Sunday. I have some more stuff coming in here in the next 48 hours, I believe. So have a good day and take care, guys.